The original halogen lights on the Honda Pioneer are dim and dingy. Today, I'm going to install the Oracle S3 LED bulbs in their place. To start, we just remove this cover from the back of the headlight. It actually just pops right out and doesn't twist out like other models. Now, with the cover removed, we can take out the factory halogen bulb and unplug the wiring connector. The new LED bulb is ready to install. The cables simply plug into the connector like this. Now we twist the bulb into the socket. When installed, the LED should point right and left like this and not up and down. Here's an example. Now we can turn on the lights and test the bulb. That's a huge difference compared to where we started. These high quality Oracle S3 bulbs take just 5 minutes to install and are less than $70. They made a major improvement in the nighttime visibility of this Pioneer. Check out the video description to find where to get yours.